So you can start making an introduction.
Thank you so much for joining with us. I am Mubarak Shah. I am from Pakundia. I am 27-year old. My occupation is diploma doctor.
I mean, making long our introduction is not suitable. So how you have introduced yourself, this is outstanding. So I'm going to ask you a question that is your leisure time. So what do you do in your leisure time? I mean, when you are free?
10 p.m. is my most free time.
Okay. What do you do in this time?
Just hanging and handing and spending time with friend and with lonely. Just hang out.
Okay. So as
Night
you have
hangout.
said, okay, as you have said that this is the shop of your friend. So what's the name of your friend?
My friend name Jamal and also her shop name Jamal Electronics from Narandi, Pakundi.
Okay, so how many friends do you have in your life?
I have maximum 100 plus friends.
Okay. So Jamal is your favorite friend, am I right?
Yes. Jamal
Okay.
is most favorite.
Okay. So this is not the last questions. I have a question that is who is most supportive in your family?
My mother gave me support very much from childhood and also recent now.
Okay. So do you have intention of making any shop like your friend?
And I have some business, but shop is not interest for me.
Okay. So what's your next plan?
My next plan is make a clinic, hospital,
So
and factory.
do you want to work for those people who are poor or economically impoverished?
Yes. I want to work for poor person, poor family, poor population.
Okay. So what's your feelings? What's your feelings joining in my live conversation? Do you think that we are doing great?
Mm, I feeling very much, and I am blessed for conversation with you. And my wish again you can call me for joining with me.
Okay. So thank you so much joining with me. I am very satisfied.